Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So in this video I'll be demonstrating different types of rendering lighting on our singular model. So let's get into the demo. So here I have taken an example of teapot model, and initially I've tried the Phong illumination lighting on it, and I tried to rotate it in all directions. So I'll just maximize the screen. So this is the Phong illumination, and this is the Toon lighting onto my model, and we can clearly see that irrespective of the rotations made into the scene, the light is perfectly being reflected onto the model. So I've tried this rotations thing from the more goals of the assignment. So this is the main code, and here we can just increase the number of models. So for the torrence shader files, I was unable to read out the shader file in my code. So I just tried out inline function, like I directly pasted the shader code inside my main.cpp and tried to read that folder. And as we go below into the code, in the void display function, I have mentioned all three rendering things over there. So even the torrence. Similarly, compile all the shader files within the void init function here, as you can see in this line. Next, as we go down, I've added some key functions like to rotate my models in all directions, and even to show different lightings as per key press, like 1, 2, 3. So I have used separate shader files for each and every reflectance models. So this is for the Phong fragment shader, and this is from vertex shader. Next comes the Toon fragment shader and the Toon vertex shader. So apart from inline function for the torrence, I've also used torrence fragment shader over here, as you can see. So these lightings, like these reflectance, can be used on any model. So let us try with another model. So this is a simple monkey head model we are using over here. So let's try to run it. And here, if we zoom out and look into the lighting onto the monkey head, so the light is acting perfectly onto the monkey head, and we can see two different lightings. But actually the torrence lighting doesn't work properly. Like I've mapped everything, all my shader files are mapped properly, but even though the shader files are not read properly. So we can even increase the number of models, and let's make it 3 and try to see the output. And basically two of my reflectance are working perfectly, like the Phong and the Toon. So this one is Phong, and Toon is also working perfectly, but there is some mapping issue with the torrence, but there are no errors seen in the code. Apart from that, I have used the pixel shaders, vertex shaders, and the rotations given in the more goal.